What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's Polygonians. The time is now. Ethereum has broken out and Matic is just starting to pick up. So we're going to go over our analysis. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. So currently we're sitting at 197. We're up about 1.3 on the day. We're sitting on market cap of 13.19 billion. 24-hour volume 1.14 billion. So let's hop straight into Matic, guys. So yesterday we talked about our inverse head and shoulders, and we're coming up right now to test our neckline. So if we break through it here, our target is here at 212. Now I have dropped in a take profit zone. We'll be adding this in along with my buy zones here for anyone who wants to use them as reference. So if you're trading this inverse head and shoulders, your target is up at $2.12. And if you bought this buy zone and maybe you sold 50% at this resistance, or you're still holding, a great take profit zone is up here at about 217. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So watch this neckline, guys, at 196. It's also the 0.786. If we break through it, then we can head up to 212. I want to jump over to the daily time frame. Just a little drink of my Malta here. It's not a beer, guys. It's a Malta. In Jamaica, it's coffee flavored. Absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. All right, guys. So we're here on the daily. So we have a few patterns at play. We had our cup and handle that we've been covering on the channel. Actually, I'll drop the neckline in here on this one as well. We have this bull flag and your target's up here at 256. We have this falling wedge. Your target's at 246. And once we come up and we break this level of resistance at the 0.786, coming in at about $2.06, there's really not a lot of resistance besides our previous high, which lines up with this swing high as well. But there's really not too much resistance till our all-time high for Matic. I can't wait till we get into price discovery. Pretty much everything we've been talking about here on the channel for Matic is coming to fruition. So really exciting times. Once we break 281, we start heading up to the 1.272 at 427. We have the 1.618 extension up at $7.20. That's my target here for Matic on our next impulsive wave. So let's look into Ethereum, but quick shout out to today's video sponsor, crypto.com. They recently partnered with Matt Damon. Beautiful commercial here you can watch on their website. There he is, such a handsome man. And they also have their crypto Visa card, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. They have crypto earn. We can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. They partnered with the UFC, the NBA. They're the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. I highly recommend it. So let's pop over into Ethereum. Check this out, guys. We broke our all-time high. I talked about our bearish divergence here on the daily, but I said it's more likely that we break out than come all the way down to 3635, and you can see we're starting to break this trend line of resistance from our bearish divergence. Now what we want to see is we come up and we break this high here at about 70 on the RSI to completely invalidate that bearish divergence, because I did talk about the possibility of us coming up and breaking our all-time high, falling back underneath it, and then hitting resistance and coming down and creating an ABC correction. It is a possibility, but the fact that we're in a historically bullish month for crypto could completely invalidate that. We're on our way to our target from our smaller inverse head and shoulders at 4619 for ETH, and we have our much larger inverse head and shoulders here. Targets all the way up at 6258. If we were to roll over, I would target our neckline, but as long as we can hold the EMAs here on the daily, we're looking for continuation, but we do still have to watch this bearish divergence on the 1-day chart. All right, guys, so let's finish off the video here with Matic. Is there anything else with Ethereum? Yeah, right here we came up and we met our target from our descending Browning wedge. So that was a nice little trade opportunity for ETH here of about 4%. And if you're seeing this as a bull flag, your target's all the way up at 4894 for ETH. So let's finish off the video here with Matic. All right, guys, so we have our larger targets, 256 bull flag, falling wedge 246, and we have our cup and handle or inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Just draw out our measurement here, and that will take our friend Matic all the way up to the previous all-time high, coming in at 281. In the short term, guys, here on the 1 hour time frame, watch this neckline at 196. Of course, it can act as a level of resistance, and then if we come up and break it, we head up to our technical target of 212. Your level of support here, 181. But we are just starting to break out here. And we can see on the 4 hour time frame as well, we're back above the 20 EMA. and we're looking healthy. As long as we break 196, we're looking strong for continuation up to our next price target for Matic. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. I've been posting chart patterns like absolute crazy, as well as other members of the Discord. I posted Tron right before it broke out, OGN right before it broke out, and now OGN is up here. Just a second here, guys. OGN is up 15%. So many of these coins I've been posting in the Discord just as they started to break out of their patterns here, and some of them are absolutely soaring. So if you want to stay ahead of the game as a trader, it's the price of a coffee, probably one of the best investments you'll ever make. Smash that like button, check out crypto.com, check out the Discord. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.